Good morning, first grade. For today's math, we're going to begin with the unstoppables. Now, for the unstoppables, for today's math lesson, you're going to be able to recall before and after numbers. You're going to be able to identify one half a dozen, and we're also be able to recall some differences. Now, let's take a look at number one. Number one wants us to write the correct answer. So notice it asks us 543 has how many hundreds? So there, from right there, it tells us we're looking for the number in the hundreds place. As we can see, ones, tens, hundreds. I underline the five because five is in the hundreds place. So 543 has five hundreds. Let's move over to 878. It is looking for the tens. Notice I underline the seven because the seven's in the tens place. So with that being said, 878 has seven tens. So that's how you solve number one. Let's focus on number two. Number two says write the before and after numbers by two. So let's do a few examples. Okay, so the first number we have here is 124. So what number comes before 124 but by 2? Looking for 2. What do you think? Good job, 122. What comes after 122, 124, 120? Good job, 126. Let's look at 266. What number comes before 266 but by 2? 264. So here we have 264, 266, and 268. Good job. All right. So let's move on to number three. Number three wants us to write the sums. So let's look at what number we're adding. We're adding 532 with Justice Camera. So we're adding 532 plus 229. All right. As we start off in the ones place, 9 plus 2 is 11. Oh, so 1 goes there. Go to the next box. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. And the last here we have 5 plus 2. Correct, that is 7. So 532 plus 229, the answer will give you 761. Okay, so let's move on to number 4. That's basically how you solve number 3. Let's focus on number 4. And number 4 says circle 1/2 dozen birds. So, as we know, how much is a dozen? How much is a dozen? A dozen is 12. So 1/2 dozen is half of that, and that is 6. So you're only circling 6 birds. Now we turn our attention and flip the page over 316. Here we are writing the differences first, and then you're going to use the color key to color the picture. Okay, so 3 is going to be red, 4 is going to be blue, 5 is going to be purple, 7 is going to be brown, 8 is going to be yellow, 9 is going to be green, and 10 is going to be white. Now, if you don't have white, if you don't have the color white, you can just leave it blank, okay? Good job.